Hello everyone, I'm excited to share with you a groundbreaking tool that has completely transformed my approach to creating video content. As a digital enthusiast, constantly searching for innovative methods to boost productivity and spark creativity, I've stumbled upon a real game changer called Fliki. This AI-powered platform has revolutionized the way I create videos, offering a seamless method to convert a wide array of content into captivating videos with just a click. Fliki is not just another tool, it's a powerhouse that simplifies video creation, making it quick and effortless. Whether it's turning ideas, blog posts, PowerPoints, or even tweets into professional-looking videos, Fliki handles it all with ease. Its user-friendly process requires minimal input, perfect for content creators looking to expand their portfolio or anyone wanting to make a mark in the digital world without deep diving into complex video editing. Here are 10 creative ways Fliki has enabled me to monetize content. 1. Repurposing content by transforming blog posts or articles into videos, broadening my audience reach. 2. Crafting tutorial videos in my field of expertise and monetizing through ads or sponsored content. 3. Creating product review videos with affiliate links for commission earnings. 4. Developing and selling e-learning courses by converting presentations into detailed video lessons. 5. Providing digital marketing services with AI-generated video content for businesses. 6. Producing and selling stock videos to those in need of specific content. 7. Enhancing social media engagement and reach by supplying captivating video content. 8. Launching a YouTube channel focused on current events or entertainment, capitalizing on trending topics. 9. Summarizing popular podcasts into videos for those who prefer visual content. And 10. Converting niche blog content into videos, offering a revenue-sharing model. My experience with Fliki began with a simple sign-up, welcoming me to a platform that's incredibly intuitive and offers a smooth start. Naming my project and selecting the right aspect ratio was just the beginning. Fliki's real magic lies in its ability to take any content type, an idea, a blog post, or even a tweet, and turn it into a video masterpiece. With just a prompt, Fliki crafted a video that not only met but exceeded my expectations, providing scene after scene of relevant, engaging content. This entire process from start to finish was astonishingly quick, reducing the usual time and effort involved in video production. It opens up a world of possibilities for content creation across various niches, making it a vital tool for anyone in the digital content creation space. Fliki represents a significant leap forward in content creation, democratizing video production and making it accessible to all, regardless of technical skills or equipment. As we continue to navigate the fast-paced digital landscape, embracing AI-powered tools like Fliki will be essential for staying ahead. I urge my fellow creators and digital enthusiasts to explore Fliki and the world of AI-driven tools. The future of content creation is here, offering unprecedented access and opportunities. Let's seize these innovations and explore new frontiers in the digital content realm. Good luck, my friends. Go make money.